5G is changing cell site construction. Not only are there more sites to deploy, but installation is more complex, with more fiber connections and more tests to run. Fiber, sweep, PIM, CPRI, RF spectrum analysis, and Ethernet. That's a lot of gear and tests to manage. And the pressure to be fast without making mistakes is growing. VIAVI Solutions just changed the game for operators and contractors. Introducing the OneAdvisor-800, the all-in-one, compact, easy-to-use tool for cell site tests. Fiber, coax, and antenna. Our operator and contractor partners need streamlined automated testing. VIAVI Test Process Automation delivers. With OneAdvisor, technician certification is not required. OneAdvisor even consolidates results across all the tests, saving time not just while running the tests, but on the closeout reporting as well. OneAdvisor-800, one solution, one process, one report, so the cell site techs can get in, get out, and get paid. VIAVI Solutions, your source for cell site installation, antenna alignment, and fiber accessories.